Welcome back to our channel, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We understand that traveling with a baby can be challenging, but fear not. We've got you covered with our ultimate baby travel packing checklist. Whether you are embarking on a long-haul flight or planning a road trip, this checklist will ensure you have everything you need for a smooth journey. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin packing, it's essential to plan ahead. Start by considering the duration of your trip and the weather conditions at your destination. Once you have that in mind, let's move on to the checklist. The first category on our baby travel packing checklist is the essentials. These are the items you absolutely cannot forget. Here's what you'll need. 1. Diapers and wipes. Make sure to pack enough for the entire duration of your trip, including extras for emergencies. 2. Changing pad. A portable changing pad will come in handy when you need to change your baby on the go. 3. Baby formula and bottles. If your baby is on formula, pack enough bottles and pre-measured formula for the journey. 4. Pacifiers and favorite comfort items. These will help soothe your baby during travel. 5. Baby carrier or stroller. Depending on your preference, choose a carrier or stroller that's comfortable and convenient for both you and your baby. Next up, we have clothing. When packing for your baby, consider the weather and activities you'll be engaging in. Here's what to include. 1. Onesies, sleepers, and outfits. Pack enough clothing for each day of your trip, keeping in mind any potential messes or accidents. 2. Socks and booties. Keep those tiny feet warm and protected. 3. Hats and sunglasses. Shield your baby from the sun's harmful rays. 4. Swimsuit and swim diapers. If you're heading to a destination with a beach or pool, don't forget these essentials. Feeding and hygiene items are crucial for your baby's well-being. Here's what you should include. 1. Bibs and burp clothes. These will come in handy during feeding times. 2. Baby food and snacks. Pack your baby's favorite food and snacks for the journey. 3. Feeding utensils and bowls. Don't forget to bring these for mealtime. 4. Baby wash and lotion. Keep your baby clean and moisturized while away from home. 5. Baby nail clippers and grooming kit. Maintain your baby's hygiene with these essential tools. Safety first. Here are the medical supplies you should pack for any unforeseen situations. 1. Baby thermometer. Keep track of your baby's temperature in case of illness. 2. Infant pain reliever. Consult with your pediatrician and pack the appropriate pain reliever for your baby. 3. Band-aids and antiseptic cream. Be prepared for minor injuries or scrapes. 4. Prescription medications. If your baby requires any medications, ensure you have enough for the trip. Lastly, let's not forget about keeping your baby entertained during travel. Here's what you'll need. 1. Favorite toys and books. Pack a few familiar toys and books to keep your baby engaged. 2. Baby-friendly snacks. Bring along snacks that your baby enjoys and can keep them occupied during travel. 3. Portable music or white noise machine. These can help soothe your baby to sleep in unfamiliar environments. So, there you have it, our ultimate baby travel packing checklist. Remember, being well prepared will make your journey with your little one much smoother and more enjoyable. We hope this checklist helps you create beautiful memories while traveling with your baby. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels. Thank you all for watching. If you have any other suggestions or tips for traveling with a baby, please share them in the comments below. Safe travels, and we'll see you in our next video.